minutes. Eight minutes to go. 8 minutes to go. Tapos na ako. Ano, puno na. Alright. Ay, mabigat. Mabigat ang tubig. Lagay ko na lang ulit ito. Kasi bubuhatin ko yung balde. Thank you for coming in. I have 7 minutes more to go. Tapos na ako sa aking stable na dalawa. I'm done to my cleaning the stable. Now, next, I'm going to cut the grass. Kasi mahaba na naman yung grass. Bilis-bilis humaba ng grass. Tapos na ako. Wala namang isang oras pala. Tapusin yung paglinis ng stable. Basta tuloy-tuloy. Kaya ayan, tapos na rin. I'm done. Ang daming Iresian bird dito. Kanina ang aga-aga ng bahaw na ibon. Ang ingay-ingay. Ay, ang ingay. Kino-close ko yan kasi para hindi pumasok yung kabayo habang nasa loob. Nakalat nila yung sawdust. So, 6 minutes na lang. Inom muna tayo ng tubig. Kailangan laging umiinom ng tubig. Thank you so much, my friend G. Paul. You connect to Josephine Salazar. Madamo na yung aloe vera ko, oh. Alam nyo ba, you know this aloe vera, you can make a juice or drinks. Cook the, what you call this? Okay. May aloe vera and may pandan. So I will take out the, nasama yung laman. Take out the wedges. Para hindi, walang damo. I have 4 minutes more to go. Thank you for your coming in to my live. Thank you so much. To the year. I have to live forever. More than that. Just to you.